Hello everyone, today I'm going to be creating a dark smoky look with SL Basics. So watch me transform from this to this. But keep on watching. So I'm going to start by hydrating my skin using the Rose and Honey Toner and Mist. The skin is feeling super hydrated and smooth, and we're going to add a little bit of glow to it using the Gold and Pearl serum, which is water-based and it has a lot of shine to it, and I prefer water-based products on top of a hydrated and already wet skin. So let's plop it on. Massage it in an upwards direction to get the blood flowing in your face. Moving along into the complexion, I'm going to be taking their Expose High Definition Foundation. Guys, the fun part about this foundation is that it has skincare. It's full coverage, you can use it as a concealer, and it does not cake up. So I'm going to show you all that you can do with this one foundation. I'm going to start by color correcting my under eyes. You can see they're blue and deadly. So I'm going to take the shade 12 to color correct my under eyes. I'm taking a little bit on a brush and buffing it in. So I'm going to take the littlest bit, even this is a little too much. I'm going to take my brush, share the product. I'm also going to take it on the corners of my nose, and you guys can see how much the product is covering. This is just that one same dip. So I haven't blended it under the eyes because I want to keep the coverage there and I want the product to settle into the skin itself. And then when it's settled and dried down a little bit, I'm going to tap it out with a sponge. Guys, I've been obsessed with cream blush lately, and if you don't have a cream blush, you can just use a liquid lipstick. This is the Matte For You No. 3 liquid lipstick from SL Basics. So how to do this is basically take a small sponge and just dab a little bit of the lipstick on top. Guys, make sure you're quick now because liquid lipsticks dry really fast. First I'm going to basically deposit some on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take my sponge and tap on the very high points of the cheek. And make sure you're dabbing and not smearing because this will ruin everything. I really like bringing the brush up under the eye. I feel like it gives you such a youthful glow and that sun-kissed look. And especially doing this with cream blush. Powder blush से इतना मजा नहीं आता जितना cream blush से आता है because it really sinks into the skin and it looks natural. Like, look at this cheek, you guys. The eyes are done and looking super sultry. We're moving on to the blush, and for the blush we'll be using the SL Basics Kahani Volume 2 palette. So you guys, I'm going to be applying this nice muted coral shade. Always tap some off on the back of your hand. See how pigmented these are. You do not want that on your face. and then I'm gonna start by applying it on the apples of the cheek. And I know this looks intense, but it is on purpose. Some on the nose, a little bit on the chin, and then I'm just going to wipe my brush off and just tap on top. I'm gonna go back into the Rose and Honey Toner and Mist and just dampen up the face again. It smells so refreshing, you guys. Like, skin is on. So I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades for my highlight today. Again, tap it on the back of your hand and apply. I'm tapping this on wherever I applied the blush. This is how I like to apply my highlighter. I do not like a stripe. I like a light diffusion all over the face. It looks so natural, you guys. And wherever you move, your skin glows with it. Guys, I'm obsessed with the way this is layering. Just look at it. It looks so skin-like. I want you guys to see this close-up, so we're gonna get it close-up for you. Alright guys, so I've lined my lips with a brown lip liner, but how to change this into a super glam nude lip? So I'm taking the Extreme Foundation in the shade 16 on a brush. Just take the slightest bit. And I am just going to lighten the center of this lip. So now we're going to take the SL Basics Matte For You lipstick in the shade 3, the same one we used for blush, and we're going to apply this in the center for a Great Ombre Lip. I'm going to blend it out with a brush. So this is what this lip looks like. I'm obsessed with it, but you guys, I don't know about you, I love a glossy lip, so I'm gonna use this Golden Pearl serum on top of it as a gloss. Yes, you can use it as a gloss. And that finishes this look. I'm just going to seal the deal with this Rose and Honey Mist once again. And the look is complete.